Looking for a locksmith? Maybe you've just moved into your dream home. Or maybe you have rental property that needs security locks. Or a business that needs to be secured with exit devices and alarms. Do you have a safe that needs to be installed? Or maybe you've just locked yourself out of your car. Whatever your locksmith need, we're here to help. With over 15 years of experience, our expert licensed locksmiths are the ones to call. That's South Florida's best locksmiths. At Broward County, call 954-480-6865 or 954-565-0065. In Palm Beach, call 561-733-6299 or 561-499-2290. Our toll-free number is 1-800-975-2290. That's South Florida's best locksmiths. We're here to help.